In July 2025, there was a video shared online claiming there was a bomb blast at Sharda Devi Temple, Maihar, Madhya Pradesh. People were shocked, panicked, and many believed it was real. Later, police confirmed that it was all fake and the video was AI generated. Still, in just a few hours, it managed to scare thousands of people. And it's not an isolated case. Artificial intelligence is now powering massive misinformation campaign that can spread faster than ever before. Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Ritesh Hegde, and today we are going to discuss about the rapidly evolving space where AI is being used to generate fake news and hate campaigns. We'll see how they are misguiding people, fueling division across societies worldwide, and giving rise to the entire AI fake news factories that is operating at an industrial scale. Thanks to the advancement in AI, where we are able to generate realistic text, image, audio, and even video at lightning speed. What used to take a team can now be accomplished with just a few clicks, enabling thousands of fake articles, images, and videos to be generated every minute. This transformation has transferred misinformation into an industrial scale problem. But creating fake content is only half the problem. The real danger is when AI-powered bots are being used to share this fake information on social media that amplifies the hoaxes. These bot networks flood feeds, drowning down real authentic news, making it harder for fact-checkers to keep up. As a result, fake news spread faster and faster, making truth hard to find. This isn't just theoretical. Let's break down some of the biggest Indian news this year. Scammers have used hyper-realistic AI-generated videos and fake endorsement, impersonating figures like Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Google CEO Sundar Pichai. These deepfake videos promoted fraudulent investment schemes, duping millions out of huge sums, estimated more than 20,000 crores in 2025 alone. And it's not just that. Take the events around Prime Day 2025, when AI scam artists flooded shoppers with fake influencer videos and counterfeit messages mimicking Amazon itself. Over 36,000 fake Amazon websites and over 75,000 fake messages mimic legitimate companies, stealing away millions of personal and financial data from the shoppers. And it's not just financial harm. During the 2025 conflict between India and Pakistan, AI-fueled misinformation flooded social media, creating confusion and escalating tensions within an already volatile geopolitical situation. Beyond misinformation and scams, AI is being used to generate hate speeches and divisive content at scale. Hate speech AI tools have created extremely realistic offensive messages targeting religious, ethnic, and social communities, often inciting violence and harassment. For example, AI-generated fake social media posts has been used to spread inflammatory statements falsely attributed to community leaders, sparking protest and deepening mistrust among people. In India, there has been cases where AI-generated content was used to target the minority communities, with hate-filled rhetoric exacerbating communal tensions. These automated hate campaigns flood the comment section and the messaging apps so rapidly that moderation becomes a challenge. So why don't we just fight back? The answer lies in how convincingly AI-generated content has become. Advanced algorithms today can produce deepfake videos and synthetic voices so convincing even experts are fooled. The combination of realistic content and amplified automation makes it almost impossible to keep pace with. As an example, researchers have demonstrated AI can create entirely synthetic video interviews in minutes with real human mannerisms and speech patterns, making detection extraordinarily hard. And the consequences are serious. When false information and hate speeches are spread unchecked, it damages the trust in media and institutions. It divides communities, fuels anger, and sometimes even get into real-world violence. People start doubting what's true and what not, making it harder for all of us to come together and solve the problem. But there is hope. Technology is also being developed to detect what is fake automatically, and social media platforms are working harder to stop fake information being spread across. Governments and civil societies are raising awareness and pushing for stronger rules to hold bad actors accountable. Still, the most powerful defense is you, the viewers. By being careful of what you read and share, by questioning shocking stories, and by helping others understand the risks, we can slow down the flood of fake news and hatred online. So next time you see a story that feels too outrageous or too perfect to be true, then pause and ask yourself, is this real or AI generated? Think twice before sharing. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay critical, and together, let's make the online space safer for all of us. I will see you in the next one.